everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Arpita Paul and I am back again with another new video. And in my today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can write a Java program to accept a string from the user, and you have to count total number of vowels present in that program. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that with the example. You can see here I have written a program to accept a string and display total number of vowels. Okay, for that I have imported the util package, then I have declared the class named vowel, and then within that I have declared the void main method. Then within the main method I have created the scanner class object, and then I have written system.out.println enter the string and declared one variable named st which is string type, and use the next line scanner class method to take the input and store it within the variable st. Now another variable I have declared, that is integer type, and written int v equals to 0. This variable I am taking for the counting purpose. Okay, means the vowel count we have to do, and we will store the count within the variable v. Okay, so that is why I am initializing the value of v with 0. Okay, now I will use the for loop to execute the program. Why? Because in one string there is more than one input. Okay, and we have separate index values also. So using the for loop we can easily use more than one index values. So I'm writing for within bracket int I equals to 0. So as the index of the string starts from 0, so the loop is also starting from 0, and until when it will continue. So for that I have written I less than st dot length. So st means the string which we have inputted, and then up to the length it will continue. But see one thing, I have written I less than st dot length. I haven't written I less than equals to st dot length. Why? Because the index is starting from 0. So as usual it will continue up to one value less than the length. Okay, and then separating with the semicolon I have written I plus plus. That means it will start from 0 and then one by one it will increment its value. Okay, so then inside the loop I have written st equals to st dot to uppercase. Why I have written this? Because in case of characters A, E, I, O, U, for these 5 characters, these are vowels. So either these are in capital letter or in small letter. In both cases, these are vowels. So if we have to keep the checking for vowel, then we have to keep 10 checking. Okay, and if we are converting the vowels or the strings into uppercase or in lowercase, then we have to keep only 5 checking. Okay, so that is why I am converting the string into uppercase and storing the same string within the same variable. Okay, so you can convert it into lowercase also. It's up to you which one you want to prefer. Then after that I have kept the checking if within the bracket st dot char at I equals to a. So what is that? See, st is the string which we have inputted. Then caret method caret will help us to take out a specific character from the string and check it. Okay, and value of I is the index value. So initially value of I is 0. So here I am keeping the checking that st, that means the string which we have entered, dot char at 0 equals to capital A or not. Okay, then we have to keep 5 checking here because A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels we have. Then using the logical or, okay, I am writing st dot char at I equals to capital E, or st dot char at I equals to capital I, or st dot char at I equals to capital O, or st dot char at I equals to capital U. Okay, if any of these 5 condition is satisfying, then it will get inside the loop and it will increment the value of v. That is why I have written v plus plus. So initially the value of v is 0. If I am getting any vowel here, then it will increment the value of v. If we are not getting any vowel, then it will not get inside and it will not increment the value, and it will directly go to the increment part of the loop and it will increment the value of I. Okay, then the value of I will be 1 and we will check 1 less than the length or not. Okay, if it is satisfying, then it will get inside. Again it will be converted into uppercase and then it will be checked if it is vowel or not within this if section. Okay, so after getting out of the loop, see here I am ending the bracket for the loop. Okay, then I am printing total number of vowels are separating with plus, printing the value of b. Okay, we have to print this out of the loop because we have to print the total number of vowels, not the intermediate calculation. Okay, so let me show you what will be the output. For that you have to compile the program, then class compile, no syntax error you can see. So minimize the window, then click on your class, click on void main, click on OK. So now you can see enter the string, it is showing. So I am entering the string. Let me maximize the window. So here type input, here I am providing my name only, and in small letters I am entering. So you can see ARPITAPAUL. You can see I have entered my name Arpita Paul in lowercase, and in my name there are how many vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so what will be the output? 5. So let me show you. You can see Arpita Paul I have entered in lowercase, and that is converted into uppercase within the method, within the program, and then you can see 5 vowels are there in my name, and it is printed that total number of vowels are 5. Okay, so this is how easily you can calculate vowels. Not only that, you can calculate number of consonants, special digits present in the program. Okay, so I hope you can do it in your own now. So thank you everyone, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have any video suggestion, please mention it in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.